Just click on this "Click Here" text and it will show you a warning that if you want to open this link or not. Just click yes and you will be directed to the web page linked with the text in the PDF file. This is a website for registering yourself for COVID vaccination in India. So in today's video you'll learn how to add links to your PDF designs in Canva. So let's get started. Let's create a Facebook post. You can create your post from scratch or you can edit someone's post. Take your time to find the right design for your post because that engages with your audience. There are thousands of pre-available templates in Canva. Some of them are free and some of them are paid. But I don't feel like copying someone's template, so I'm going to create design from scratch. So click on Create a Design. Wait till it gets loaded. Let me search for coronavirus. Here select the page that creates a bond with your audience. For example, we should use a virus image to describe the virus, a doctor image to create trust, and a vaccination image to encourage them to get vaccinated. If you have Pro version, you can use all the Pro features available in Canva, or you can use the normal version like I use. Let's adjust this image and fix it to the top of our post. We have to do it so perfectly that it creates a panic feel and keeps the viewer engaging. I have a doctor image copied already, so let me paste it and search for vaccination. We can't use a Pro image because it comes with a watermark which makes our post look bad. Take your time, put yourself in the place of the viewer. This image overlaps our doctor image, so let's delete it and add another doctor image. Make sure you add a smiling face in your post because a happy face creates better engagement. I love this smiling beauty. Let's flip the image and crop out the extra segments from it. Place it on the left side of the post so that it does not hide the vaccine image. Our design is ready.
Yeah, boy.
So our next step is to add text and link them to a website. Let's start of adding text in it. There are lots and lots of fonts pre-available in Canva, but some of them requires a Pro license to use them. I'm just adding a normal text here. Place this text somewhere in the top so that it's perfectly visible. So let's type in our text like, "Get vaccinated today," and let's add a "Click Here" text where we will be embedding our link. Now minimize the text size and try to change the color. I suppose red color would be more efficient. No, it's not. Let's choose another color, for example white. It looks good. And now minimize the letter spacing because I feel it takes the most space from the post. If you want, you can change the alignment. It's the important step. We're going to add a link to our text. So let's select the "Click Here" text. Now select the embedding icon right here. It opens a small tab and you can add your link to it. Click on Apply and it will be automatically added to your text and will be automatically underlined. But I don't want this, so click this U button to take it out. Now we have our post ready. But how will you make this text work as a link in your post? Here comes the trick. You should not download this as a PNG image, instead download it as a PDF document. So now we have our PDF document ready. I'm going to download it and save it in my desktop, wait for it to download and then open it. So I'm on my desktop now, it's the time to open the file. As you can see, when I place my cursor over the text it shows me a message like "Open Link" and the website written after it. But if I move away my cursor icon will change. This means that only the text is embedded with a website. Let me show it to you on full screen. You cannot open the link in full screen mode because some softwares does not allow it. But if you minimize it and hover over the text you can see that it allows you to open the link, and if you click it, it will show you a warning that if you want to open this website or not. Click yes and you will be directed to the link embedded in your PDF. This is a website for registering yourself for COVID vaccination in India. We have come this far, and now we will have a quick recap of what we have done in this video. The first step is to create a post within your niche. Remember, your post could be anything, but the only limit is, it should be related to a specific niche. You can create your own post or use someone else's design. Right now I'm using someone's design, and I'm going to embed my link in this post. So I'm going to remove this post and type in "click here." Don't think that you have to add a "click here" text to make it work. You can embed any text in your PDF. Currently I have embedded canva.com in my PDF. Let's download it and see if it's working. Make sure you change the downloading format from a PNG image to a PDF file. Let's open it now. As I said earlier, you can't open it on full screen mode, but if you minimize it, you can then open the file. Just click yes and you will be directed to canva.com. So this is how you embed links to your PDF designs in Canva. So that's all for today. Hope you guys get a ton of value from this. Please leave a like in this video if you find any of this content useful, and I'll see you in the next video.